Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Koppen, and as of this fall, I'll be a first-year 6th grade math teacher at Monroe County Middle School. I'm currently getting my master's, and I'll graduate this December from the Educational Psychology program with the emphasis in gifted and creative education. And I currently live in Macon, Georgia. So while teaching, I became interested in middle school math education when I realized I wanted to be a teacher in the 8th grade, and I never changed my mind. I've always loved school and kids, which makes teaching the absolute perfect job, and I absolutely loved math and the challenge it presents. So like I said, first year 6th grade math teacher this fall, and I'm super excited. So when I was thinking about a memorable diversity or equity issue that I've observed, I thought back to my student teaching and how I truly saw an underrepresentation of minorities in the gifted classes that I was helping to teach. When I thought about my favorite aspect of engaging diversity and equity issues, I thought about bringing in student cultural differences into the math classroom. Some may say it's impossible, but I think it's something that's super important so students see that there is math related to them, their interests, their lives, and that they do see that it is in their lives every day, everywhere around them. My least favorite thing about engaging diversity and equity issues would have to be seeing students I personally see as gifted not being seen as such. So I'm hoping that I can take everything that I've learned and what's to come and take it into my own classroom to make sure that all of the gifted students can get exactly what they need. I'm excited for this semester and I hope you enjoyed it.